Here's another Schindler 2600 MRL Traction lift at Bunnings in Newstead. LCD indicator. Here it comes. Here it is. Okay, I'll wait for another one. That spells a lot of trolleys in there, so we're gonna wait. While we wait for it, that's in a traction lift. In a traction lift, it's inside the lift shaft. In a traction lift is a series of ropes, pulleys, and counterweights. In an MRL traction, it's got the same, but on the top floor there's a cabinet. But in a hydraulic lift, there's a hydraulic piston which pushes once the lift goes to your level, it pushes in a cylinder and causes the lift to rise and uses a hydraulic pump. So that's kind of interesting. But these got boring Dewhurst US 95. Here it comes. Oh! See, that's what I mean in a traction lift. See that? That's a counterweight. And what's cool about glass lifts is that you get to see everything. Like stopped it at ground. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Here it comes. Now, moment of truth. Here he is. Go up to level 2.
Level 2, going down.
Let's go to B. Are you going down?
Yes.
Okay. Wait a minute.
It's not moving.
Oh, it's moving now.
You fixed it.
Yeah.
Ground floor, going down.
You going down? Okay. Going down? This one's going down. This one's going down.
It's all good. You need 2 to 4 meters.
Basement, going up.
What about one?
Going down.
To which level?
Ground floor. Going down.
And we'll go to level 1 and conclude the video. Which level?
Why nothing? Thank you.
What section are you going to?
I was going to go to the garden, but I want to check out a mirror first.
Ground floor. Going up.
Thank you.
This one's busy. You're 1.
Level 1.
Thank you.
I haven't got it picked too.
Do you want to help out first?
No, not really.
That's it.